Hello everyone. In earlier classes we have completed first and second chapter of GK. Today we will start our third chapter, that is finding the odds. In this chapter we will get to know some great personalities. Yet they had some disabilities. Then also they have great name. And this disability did not stop them to be great. This personality said, I had a learning disability and could not read until I was 3 years old. I had a difficult time doing maths in school. But anyone who has learned E equals to mc square knows my name. Can you tell me his name? His name is Albert Einstein. This personality said, I have dyslexia, but I am an American singer and actress, and sometimes lovingly known as Goddess of Pop. Can you tell me her name? She is Cher. This personality said, I had a learning disability and struggled a lot in school, but you all know me for my incredible invention that lets you talk to one another and say hello. Can you tell me his name? He is Alexander Graham Bell. This personally said, I had polio, but that did not stop me from being the governor of New York and later the president of United States of America for 4 terms. He is Mr. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Can you identify this lady? Yes, most of us have seen her in TV serials. Can you tell me her name? She is Sudha Chandran. She said, at 16, I lost my leg in an accident. I overcame my disability by wearing a Jaipur leg and went on to become a famous classical Indian dancer. This personality said, I was visually impaired, but I joined the Indian music industry at a very early age and became a notable music director in the 70s. He is Mr. Ravindra Jain. So next is everyone's favorite, superhero. Can you tell me his real name? His real name is Mr. Christopher Reeve. He said, I was an American actor who played the original Superman. But after a horse riding injury, I could not walk again and had to use a portable ventilator everywhere I went. I then dedicated my life to help people with spinal cord injuries. Next is Mr. Thomas Alva Edison. He said, I had a learning disability and could not read until I was 12 years old. I became deaf after I pulled up to train car by my ears. But that did not stop me from inventing the light bulb and having over 1000 patents to my name. Next personality said, I was blind, deaf and mute also, but I did not feel that stopped me from devoting my life to help people with disabilities. I completed my graduation and went on to become an author, political activist and lecturer. She is Helen Keller. Yes, next is Mr. Tom Cruise. He said, I was severely dyslexic, but I did not let this dictate my success as an Hollywood actor and a global star. You know me for my work in Top Gun, Mission Impossible and many other movies. He is Girish Sharma. He said, I lost a leg in a train accident, but this does not stop me from becoming a champion in badminton. He is a champion in badminton. I can easily move throughout the court on one leg only. and does not falter. Next personality is Shekhar Naik. He said, I was blind but loved to play cricket. I converted my disabilities into an opportunity for myself and went on to become T20 Blind Cricket World Championship with 32 centuries to my name.